It's Foodie Friday. Let's get trekking for food. It's Foodie Friday. Let's get trekking for food. So on this last Friday of February, Black History Month, in honor of it, I am visiting another Black-owned establishment. As a matter of fact, they are from Ethiopia. So hold your horses while I share with you the specialness of Ethiopia.
We take the name from this church, from one stone, okay? From one stone. 60, it used to be 50-50, 50 Muslim, 50 Christian. It used to be. Now 60 says 70% Christian, which is Orthodox, Catholic, Protestants, and others. Okay? This is the first mosque in Ethiopia. This is a story, which is Al-Nagash, which is north side. Okay, this is Al-Nagash, the first mosque in Ethiopia. Okay, so 29% Muslim, okay, 70% Christian, which is Orthodox, Catholic, Protestant, and other Christians. Okay. Here, our alphabet are numbers. We never colonized. Never colonized. So that's our alphabet, our numbers. This is handy orders over here. እንኳን ደህና መጡ ዌልካም ለጤናችን ፎር አወር ሄልዝ አመሰግናለሁ ታንክ ዩ ጤና ይስጥልኝ ሃው አር ዩ ደህና ደሩ ጉድ ናይት ደህና ዋሉ ሃቭ ኤ ጉድ ዴይ መልካም በዓል ሃፒ ሆሊዴይ this is handy orders if you keeping say take a picture if you keeping saying it you learn it
Yes.
okay if you go Ethiopia they charge you for this here is free
I like.
Okay? So this is another monastery, you know. There is a place to go, where to go.
Okay.
So learn this one. It's alphabet or numbers. Like I say, we are 2017. We are back on 8 years back.
Okay.
We're 2017 back home in Ethiopia.
Wow.
Over here,
It's
2025. Okay. So that's the difference.
Yes.
See, our alphabet, our numbers, our year, every calendar, everything. Okay? So enjoy. Lent, potato and carrot, callo green, cabbage and carrot, red beet and carrot, yellow split beans. Healthy and healing for cough, cold, you know.
Yes. Thank you so much.
If you come next time with your friend, you serve coffee ceremony. Of course, we charge him.
Okay, yes. Okay, I understand. Thank you. Delicious. I could not have chosen a better place to end this Black History Month. Last Friday in February on this Foodie Friday. I'm super excited.